Hello everyone, and thank you for watching Anna Hudgens Beauty. I am Anna Hudgens, and in today's video I'm going to do a mini haul, and I'm also going to do this full face makeup tutorial, so definitely stay tuned for more of that. I'm doing this just for fun, just as a relief to your day, to take your mind off of things, whatever you may be stressed out about, and so let's just have fun and talk about makeup. So let's get into the haul portion. So I absolutely love the Makeup Geek eyeshadow. Just watch them all. Really pretty, everyday neutral shades. And I think that was the point of her collection, was to make it to where you could get your basics. They're perfect. Love them. Great quality. This was from the holidays, so this isn't even available anymore, but the mascaras inside of it are. So I just wanted to show you this. This is from Sephora. This is their Lash Stash Mascara Sampler. It comes with these lashes that I'm wearing right now from Huda Beauty. These are the Scarlet number 8s. Okay, so the first full-size mascara that comes with it is the Roller Lash Mascara from Benefit Cosmetics. I love this because my lashes are straight, and this really does give a lot of lift to my lashes. The next full-size mascara is the It Superhero Mascara. The first time I tried this, I didn't like it, so I'm gonna give it a second chance. And then all of the other mascaras are minis. So this is the Tarte Big Ego Mascara, and it looks very similar to the Too Faced. They look very similar. Or is it just me? I've been dying to try the NARS Climax Mascara, and it is a big, fluffy, round brush. It looks very separated too. Like, some big brushes like this can look a little clumpy, and this one does not look clumpy at all. Pat McGrath Labs Fetish Eyes. These bristles are very close together, but it doesn't look clumpy at all. That's why I'm so impressed. And this brush is very unique. It doesn't look like anything I've had before, so very excited to try that. And this is the Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara. That curvy look that the other ones have, but this one's just a little bit fatter. You can see there's a lot of extra product there on the edge. With the Marc Jacobs, I've tried this one before. I already know this is one of my favorite mascaras. It's called Velvet Noir. And this one's very clumpy. You can see how the mascara is just all clumped together. I don't know why the brush looks like that. It's weird. Okay, this one is Lashcraft Big Volume from Sephora. Ooh, so this formula seems very wet to me, if that makes sense. That's what that brush looks like. I don't know. I don't have high hopes, I'm gonna be honest, but I'm gonna try it and I will let you know. I have been dying to try just anything from the brand Milk Makeup. I've heard good things. Ooh, it's got more of a pointed brush with that fat classic bristle. And I love that it's pointed so you can get into the inner corners really good. So love that. There's a lot of extra product there. I don't know if you can tell. And then last but not least, we have the YSL Yves Saint Laurent Mascara Volume Effect Faux Cils, the curler. I love curling mascaras. It's basically flat. I don't know if you can tell. Whoa, so by far the most unique looking brush. Like, you're literally gonna brush this on your lashes. Whoa, that's so crazy. And you can even brush the top of your lashes with this, the way this is set up. Oh my, this is so cool. So I have a couple other new things to show you. The first one is the Lancome Le Base Pro Face Primer. And I don't really know a lot about it. I just know when I try this on other people's faces, it looks beautiful. So I had to try it on myself, and you will see how it goes in the video. I already showed this on my Instagram, but I never showed it in a video, so here you go. This is my goodie bag from Urban Decay. Okay, so what is in the bag? We have the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade 0. So you open it up and it shows you all the other colors that it comes in. This is like a deluxe sample. The Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. This is the OG. I started doing eyeshadow looks with this primer. I haven't had one of these in a long time, so I'm excited to have it and try it again. The Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. This is long-lasting makeup setting spray, oil-free, paraben-free, temperature control technology. We got the Urban Decay Perversion Mascara. I've had this before. The brush looks like. It's just a classic good mascara. It also comes in waterproof, and they also have a primer that you can use with this as well. Ice lipstick. This is in the color Bad Blood. It just always makes me think of Taylor Swift. Now we got Bad Blood. Something I definitely could see Taylor Swift wearing. Is it blue or is it orange? Ooh, I don't know. It's kind of perfectly in the middle. I really like it. Urban Decay Perversion Waterproof Fine Point Eye Pen. Anyway, that's what the brush tip looks like, and I use this in the video, so love it. That's all for my makeup haul. Now let's get into the tutorial. I got this Makeup Geek palette right before all the craziness happened, right when they launched, and these are the colors. So I'm gonna play with this palette today. Going in with my Air Patrol primer. This stuff is really great, and I'm very sad that they don't make it anymore. This shade called Staycation. Just kind of keep blending and trying to make this look as seamless as possible and not so patchy. This is the trick right here. You just gently tap your brush into the product, and then you gently tap the eyeshadow onto the eyelid. And you don't blend it out very much. You just gently tap and just barely blend the edges just a little bit. All right, now I'm just gonna let, oh, that's gliding on beautifully, easily. It was really easy to get a thin line and not go too thick. This is nice. Okay, so that is the Makeup Geek palette. So now that I know how to use the brighter shades, I think that it blended out beautifully. It looks super pigmented, and as long as you use a primer, this looks great. So I'm loving that. Another new product that I've never tried before is the Lancome Le Base Pro. It was on sale during the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty, and it is the only thing I purchased because then Corona came and the whole craziness, and I was like, gotta save my coins. I'm just gonna use one little pump like that, and I'm just going to, yes, that pump was enough for the whole face. Now for foundation, I'm going to use the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. This is one of my favorite foundations. This is how I normally apply it when I'm in a hurry. And I just brush it on with the brush. Usually my makeup glides on pretty easily and I'm able to blend it out really well, but right now it's feeling very dry and it's hard to blend out, and so that's probably the primer. It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer in the shade Light Honey. I'm just going to use my finger and a little dot like that to go under the eyes. And just dab, dab, dab. I'm going to take my favorite Laura Mercier powder and use that to set the under eyes. It's really good for baking. It doesn't mess up your makeup. It just adds to it. And I'm going to take my Hoola bronzer right here. Oh no, I put too much. Can you ever put too much bronzer? I don't know if that's even a thing. Just going around the forehead. I have to blend that out a little bit. Let's go in with Dallas for blush. Just popping it onto the apple of the cheek here. Has a nice fragrance to it. And then it has the Tickle highlighter right here. And I'm gonna hit that with a little bit of spray. This is the Lip Mist from Pure Cosmetics, which I love because it smells like Fruit Loops. Who doesn't love that? Damn girl. And let's open it up. This is the mini size. I'm just gonna brush it on, starting as close to the lash line as possible and just pushing it up. So I need more of a curling mascara, and this is more a volume mascara, but it's not bad, and it looks really good on the bottom lashes. So Huda Beauty lashes, and these are in the style Scarlet number 8. And then there is this lovely little how-to. So if you don't know how to apply lashes, these come with a step-by-step from Huda Beauty herself. Just go boom. It's just easier to work with your fingers instead of using the tweezers, because I would have been there all day trying to get that to lay down with the tweezers. And you can see it's very sharp on the ends. And I don't know, that's kind of cool. I've never seen lashes that just stick out straight like that at the end. Go in with my favorite Nighthawk lip liner from Urban Decay. And I'm going to fill in the whole lip with this. Now I'm going to go over that with the Too Faced Melted Lipstick in the shade Holy Chic. And then blend it out with my finger. I'm going to top it off with some Stila lip gloss. I absolutely love this lip gloss formula, and I love the way it smells. It smells like candy. And this color is called Casual Friday, and this is the Beauty Boss lip gloss from Stila. So again, just in the center. Just blend it out with my finger. And there we go, we're finished. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the thumbs up button if you liked this video, and then share it with your friends if you did. Also, hit the notification bell so you can be notified when new videos are uploaded so you don't miss a thing. Follow me on Instagram at Anna Hudgens Beauty. And again, just thank you so much for watching. And as always, everything I mentioned in today's video will be listed in the description box down below, along with all of my links, so definitely check that out before you go. And I hope you're all staying happy, healthy. I hope this video was a little bit of relief for you for your day. I know we've all been going through it, and I just want you to know that my heart is with each and every one of you. I love you, and I will see you again in the next video.